it's Tasha, and today I'm going to show you how to cook cereal, because you can eat it whenever you want, and it's the easiest thing to make. So yeah, here we go. Let's get started.
I knew back when we were in school, all of the crazy things that we used to get into. But soon, all I am going to remember are the memories that left me torn and tattered.
First, you need to get a bowl, and I have one here. It's just a blue bowl. Nice little blue bowl, which I already said. Next, put your bowl aside, and you will want to get some cereal. So here I have Puffin's Honey Rice gluten-free cereal. Because I'm gluten-free, it's pretty yummy. So you're just going to want to open your cereal up. Oh shit, hold on. So now that my cereal is open, I would just want to pour it into the bowl. So I just poured out my beautiful little cereal. Now we're going to go to the fridge and get some milk. Gosh, Mom, we didn't give them a shot. And the milk I like to drink is Organic Valley. This is their like skim milk or whatever. I don't know.
Hey, it's funny the way that people give up right after they make a mistake. If you relate to the things that I say, then tell them to whoever you can, for goodness sakes. When writing my words, I rapidly learned aesthetic perfection is needed like insulin for a diabetic. You bet it against me, well now you
and I mean, if you want to be healthy, you can add some fruits to it. But I'm just going to add some sugar, or regular average spoonful of sugar, and just mix it into my cereal, because this cereal is pretty flavorless. So sugar is a good thing for cereal. Yep, that's my cereal. It's a commercial teaching you how to make cereal. Oh God. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of basic knowledge that I decided was a good idea for a video this week. Because cooking, and I am no chef, I will burn the house down. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Is that better? I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did like it, please subscribe to 17's TV. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye.